Hi, welcome to the cooking spot. Today we are going to make hoppers. You can quickly make this hopper recipe and enjoy it. We will need coconut milk, coconut water, sugar, string hopper flour, wheat flour, salt and an egg. First, heat the coconut milk for a while. Next, add wheat flour, salt, sugar and egg to the string hopper flour. Now, mix all of this well. The quantities used to make this hopper mixture are given in the description. Next, gradually add the cooled coconut milk to the flour mixture and mix it well. Now, let the hopper mixture sit for about an hour. After an hour, the hopper mixture will have thickened. If it is too thick, you can add water. Next, keep the pan on the stove and add some coconut oil. Now, add some of the hopper mixture. Close the lid and let it cook for a while. These hoppers are very soft and have a milky taste. If you have tried this recipe, please leave a comment. See you in another recipe like this.